that's helped me on my journey with stress is spending some time alone. Spending some time alone. Especially if you're super sensitive to other people's feelings and emotions, and we'll talk about that in another video. If you're super sensitive to like your environment, which most people that's watching this are probably going to be those type of people, spending time alone, what that does for you is you can distinguish what is yours and what is not yours, right? Because a lot of times, especially with our family, I'm speaking from experience, a lot of times I was feeling stuff that wasn't mine, right? I was feeling other people's feelings and thoughts. They weren't even mine. But it was confusing because you're feeling them, right? You're feeling them and you're picking up on the thoughts. And so it's like, once you're alone, you can actually tap in and connect with just yourself. And that is what is important about alone time. Is because it gives you that opportunity to connect with yourself. And I love spending alone time outside in nature. All right? So that's another thing. Nature. Getting outside. Breathing in the fresh air. Feeling the sun shining on you. That right there, guys, does wonders for us. It does wonders for us. Getting outside, being alone, so I can actually feel if this is mine or somebody else's. And that helps with clarity, right? If you can get alone and with your own thoughts, with your own feelings, with your own emotions. So if you can get alone and be able to distinguish if this is yours or not, that's very helpful. Spending time out in nature, breathing in the nice fresh air, feeling the sun rays beaming on your face, and listening to the birds sing, and feeling the wind blow. To take some deep breaths and actually look up at the trees swaying in the wind, and just be for a minute. Just be. You don't have to be worrying about what you got to do later, what bills you got to pay, when you got to go back to work, when the kids have to do this. Just let all that go. You don't have to think about all that all the time. Every day, take some time to yourself to be alone. And I love nature, so I'm gonna say out in nature. And just be.